welcome back to another vlog. How are you guys doing? Yeah, I have my daughter. I'm gonna say hello to the vlog.
Hello vlog.
Hello vlog. Yeah, I have my son.
Hello.
Hello, my name is Nathan.
Hello, Nathan.
Yeah. So guys, I'm going to start by cleaning this room now. This room is a mess, as you guys can see.
Mama, look.
The room is a mess, guys. Look. Everything is messed up. Everything is messed up. Look at this one doing a shenanigans. And the mirror too.
Dirty.
Everything is messed up. Dirty, guys. The mirror is dirty.
Until you do it will be clean and shiny.
The mirror is dirty.
Yes.
So guys, I'm going to start. Look at them. Look at the shenanigans. Shenanigans. Look at toy on my bed. Toys on my bed. Like what?
Wow.
Yeah, guys, let me show you guys this
Photo.
this picture is so cute.
There is what, mommy?
He said there is always a reason to smile. Find it.
There is always a reason to smile.
So the other one says positive thinking, positive outcome.
Positive thinking.
Okay guys, and this other one which I love so much. The first one says is the little thing in life.
Is the little thing in life?
And the other one says Ella Sunshine.
And this one?
That one is Ella Sunshine.
And this one?
This one is.
And this one? And this one?
This one says, don't forget to have some fun. No, don't forget to have fun. This one said, make every day amazing. This one said, enjoy. Welcome to paradise. The one, the black one say, happy mind, happy life. So guys, let me start cleaning. Okay, say bye to the vlog.
Bye.
Nathan, say bye.
Bye, guys.
Say bye.
Until you see when it's clean, guys.
See the shenanigans. Bye.
Bye.
So I'm going to take that to the washing machine now. Okay, it's time to clean the mirror. Guys, I get to clean this mirror all the time. My kids, they will just put their hand, and before you know it, the thing will just get dirty all the time. So far, I want to start this opportunity to thank you all for always coming by to watch my videos. Guys, I appreciate you all. You guys are amazing. You guys rock. All my returning subscribers, you guys rock. Thank you for always coming back. And for my new subscribers, guys, you all are welcome. Thanks for joining the family. So now I'm just going to be cleaning the decks and the TV. I'm almost done, guys. I'm almost done. My room doesn't take much time to clean, unlike other parts of the house, you know. Hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. So if you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up for my video. That way I know that you guys like it, and that way I'll bring you more cleaning videos. And if there's any videos that you guys want me to like film, maybe I've not filmed that video in my channel and you guys want to see that, just let me know in the comment section, guys. Okay, this is me just taking a break. Yeah, I'm done, guys. I'm done. So I'm just vacuuming the room. That's all that is left, just for me to vacuum the room. If at this stage you're still watching but you've not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, and please turn on your notification bell so that you get notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you. Here now, so I'm done cleaning, guys. I'm done cleaning. Yeah, everywhere is looking good now. Everywhere is looking good and neat. So I'm just going to show you guys around a little bit. I'm just going to do a room tour for you guys. Hope you guys are enjoying the room tour so far. Yeah, just a little bedroom. Yeah, nothing much going on, but it's cozy and we love it. So guys, yeah, that's me waving you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. That way I know that you people like the video, so that with time I'll be bringing you more of cleaning videos. Okay guys.